Everyone can do yoga regardless of age, fitness level, flexibility, strength, or weight. Yoga is one of the best exercises to impact your long-term health significantly. Yoga is a combination of cardio flexibility, meditation, and mindfulness. Daily yoga practice will bring you many health benefits that will help you keep fit and relaxed. The following are the health benefits of yoga. It will help you build a more robust immune system. Yoga helps to reduce your blood pressure, enables you to calm down your heart rate, and relax your muscles. It helps you relax and eliminate stress, keeping your immune cells healthy. Protect you from injuries. Any other sports put you at a higher risk of getting an injury. On the other hand, yoga allows you to develop an even deeper relationship and understanding of your body. Help you focus on the present. Yoga includes meditation, which makes you focus on the present and distance yourself from the past or future. This helps you to develop peace and happiness since it doesn't allow you to dwell in the past or future. Yoga helps you eat and sleep better. Stretching, relaxing, and slowing down your breathing boost your digestion and increase your serotonin levels, which are critical for quality sleep and excellent food choices. Relief of arthritis symptoms. Are you suffering from arthritis and other chronic pain? Yoga is perfect for relieving pain in the body. The gentle movement and minimal weight-bearing exercise help lower the joint's impact. Yoga involves little weight-bearing, which allows for easing stifling and pain. Improve your social life. Yoga is a favorite exercise routine, meaning many people practice it. You will meet new people by simply joining a yoga class. Yoga is also a popular conversation topic, so you can use it to break the ice. Relief hangover. For all the boozers out there, doing yoga in the morning will cure your hangover. An early yoga session will help you get rid of the toxins in your body through a gentle sweat out. A light or soft yoga session will increase blood flow to your brain, relieving you of hangovers and headaches. It's an ideal pregnancy workout. Most exercises, workout, and sports are unsuitable for pregnant women, but yoga is usually recommended. Yoga is gentle, and you can adjust your activity or modify poses how you find comfortable with your body, making it perfect for pregnancy workouts. The labor breathing technique will help you relieve labor pain. Since you now know that yoga has a fantastic health benefit, do yourself a favor and try to join a yoga class today. Please visit mothernaturehealthcoaching.com and wehealthyliving.com.